Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Facebook login code problem. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is try another way. So if you are not receiving the 6-digit code, just click on Need Another option or try another way on the login screen. You may be able to approve the login from another device or a different browser. But if that is not the case, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a good internet connection. You can also try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure that any VPN turned on should be turned off. Also, try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. Simply go ahead and open your settings, head straight all the way down to applications. Then you want to simply go ahead and look for Facebook and make sure that notifications are all turned on as well. And also it has access to local network. So once you've done that, simply try to open your App Store and click on your profile, head down to personalized recommendations, clear app usage data because normally cache files also cause this kind of problem. Finally, once you've done all of that and it still persists, all you need to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your app and try to log back in. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.